Hey everybody, it's Nature Day once again. I'm coming to you from the softball field at Camp Bratton-Green. Today's nature activity is going to be a nature scavenger hunt. So how this is going to work is there's going to be a list attached to this video of items to pick up, and you with your friends or your siblings or whatever are going to go and try to get as many items on this list and bring them back to your house in a set amount of time. So I have a list here with me, and I'm going to go try to get all the items on this list within 5 minutes. All right, guys, my time's up, or maybe I'm just out of breath. I got 4 out of the 7 items I had on my list. I'll attach a list to the end of this video, and I hope y'all have fun today.